Watch this to see what happens while we're working together and we're dealing with water. Welcome to our channel. We're Daires and Akilah of DIY Power Couple.
And in today's video, we are going to be removing this old dishwasher. So let's get into it. The first thing to do is disconnect the power, and then I'm going to shut off the water line. Okay. So this is what I'm about to do. I need to disconnect this line right here. What tool do I need, hubby, for this one?
We need a crescent wrench.
Okay, so I'm gonna use this crescent wrench to take this pipe off.
You have to tighten it first, babe, around the nut. Since it's not on, take the knob and turn the knob perpendicular. The knob of that knob, perpendicular, so you can get to it. Whichever way is loosest.
It's leaking out.
Now, turn it to the left first. Yes, you have more room to swing around. Yeah. Just put that down.
So water's coming out. A lot of water, even though we turned it off.
Yeah.
Which is kind of weird.
It does that.
A lot of water.
We're gonna clean it up. The pressure will go down.
Is that open a little?
All right, turn that off. Just turn it off. Turn it off.
I don't know which way is off.
That's the wrong way to turn it off. It's off. It's the pressure. Keep going. Hold on. Let me
It's going all over the place. It's finally going down. How do you get this copper pipe to undo itself?
After you get it done a little bit more, then you lift it up a little bit.
I mean, that doesn't look good. Do you have a cup or something? Oh, I turned it off here. We need to get a lot of towels. Are we gonna change this pipe? It's still squirting.
We're gonna take this old shutoff valve that has a continuous turn and change it to one that has a quarter turn.
So now I'm going to unscrew, what is it called, babe?
The mounting screws.
The mounting screws.
Yeah.
And so in this dishwasher, they're up here.
They're under the countertop.
And for those of you who saw our other video, you see my little trusted stool. I'm using it for DIY projects. Just wanted to plug that in. I was just seeing if I could do it without a power drill. And this one came out a little bit easy. Okay, now I'll do the other one. This one came out pretty easy too. Okay. So I'm putting my gloves back on because now we need to remove the kick plate that's at the bottom of the dishwasher.
Yeah.
I gotta get down low for this one. This one looks like an older one. Let's try the other one. Yeah. I think I need that.
Okay. Put it on your knees.
Okay.
You did it?
So I can get the other side of the kick plate off. So I'm gonna.
You can get it by using the drill.
Yeah, I'm not able to get the other side of the kick plate off with this screwdriver. So I'm gonna ask hubby to help and come in with the drill, the power drill.
I was wondering where I put
And
it.
then, okay, we'll see.
You got it? Mm-hmm. So, that's it.
That was a lot easier with the drill. So now we have to pull it out. Look at this, babe. You have to kind of like
We can't have to pull this one out.
shimmy it.
Oh, look at that. There was vinyl flooring under there.
You always can find new discoveries in an older home. Okay, so for this particular dishwasher, we're gonna remove
The faceplate.
this faceplate.
Yeah.
I don't see the screw that you're talking about.
It's in the corner. You have to get in the screw though, babe. I see the screw. You see it?
No, I do.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
we'll switch.
All right. Yep.
Ooh.
Okay. You got all the spider
Here you go.
webs and everything else in there.
That's disgusting. Ooh. Look at that. Try to clean out all these cobwebs in here.
So now we have to remove the screw to lower the feet, I believe.
These right here?
Yes.
How do you do that?
You actually have to have a crescent wrench to lower the feet. You got it. You got it, babe. You got it.
I know when I move it though, right here.
Yeah, but you're going the wrong way. I was thinking go, yeah, that way.
Yeah,
Take it off. Yeah, one time. Then put it back on. Do it again.
When I do this,
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you hold this? Oh, it's
easier.
Yes. Okay.
That's probably why I couldn't get it.
So now, the cool thing about this is you can switch it around. Well, we used the crescent wrench to unscrew the legs, and now it's at a point where I have to use my fingers to lift the legs up so that we can pull it out.
You can see it's lowered a little bit, but because we have this ceramic tile, we have to clear it.
You see? Okay.
So you can see that we have.
Clearance.
Now for the fun part.
Right there, like that.
Oh, you don't want to scrape the.
I don't want to, but there we go. We're just kind of moving it forward. Oh, you know what, too? Go on the other side. You see the other side of it?
These
Yes.
prongs?
Yes, you squeeze those and you pull it up.
Okay. This is the drain pipe for the dishwasher, right?
Yes. Can you pull it up?
No, I can't pull it up.
Okay, let me pull it up. All right. So as we pull it, it should be okay. I think it's just the top of this.
The copper line is stuck right here. Okay, so we have to undo this copper.
Yeah, what does it look like to you? What do we
It's like
need?
a net, like a hexagon.
Do I need a screwdriver or do I need some?
I need like a wrench.
Okay.
I need something to undo the connection that looks like a valve.
Oh, you can bend it.
You can bend the copper.
Yeah. Here it goes.
Now I can pull it out.
Yeah.
It's not hard at all now, once you cleared everything for me. The hose was still leaking a little water.
Yeah, it has water in it.
Okay.
That's okay, that's normal.
Where do you want?
Pull that part out.
I just took it out. But we have to unplug this. This right here.
Yeah, that's the hard wire.
Yeah. So the old dishwasher is hardwired. So we're gonna undo that. We had that situation with the other one.
So we're gonna open up the box and we're gonna remove the hard wire. It's connected to the house. So we're gonna have to take off this box. Okay. So. These are my old trusties. So the goal is to straighten everything.
And what are you doing on to straighten it to pull it through?
Correct.
Wasn't like that, right?
No.
Yay! Watch maybe water, yeah.
Get out of water.
Good job, babe, good job. Hopefully this will help you save money.
Yes.
And you can remove it yourself. Okay, so we're gonna take this out of here and we'll see you in the next video.
And remember,
You can DIY too.
Okay. All right, guys. So
We removed the dishwasher,
we removed the dishwasher.
the old one.
Yeah.
That's hardwired. And so we had to put a new one in. And so we'll probably have to do another video to show you how we
Install the new one.